Good morning, Bluebirds. For the activity of today, we are going to need a piece of paper, cotton, leaves, toothpick, and foil, and also marker. The activity is, what's the weather like today? So first, we're going to make a cross on the paper. Something like this. And in each side, we're going to draw how the weather can be. So, cloudy, sunny, rainy, or windy. For this part, you can have a look here and try to copy the letters, or you can ask for help for your parents. So, for the part of the clouds, what we are going to do is, we're going to draw a cloud, and then with the help with some glue, we're going to put some cottons on it. Because it's cloudy. For the sunny weather, we're going to draw a circle and then take a toothpick and break it in the middle like this. And after that, again, with the help with the glue, we're going to do the sun like this. For the rainy weather, we're going to take the foil and then take it in small pieces like this, and then put it like raindrops. And don't forget to put the cotton on the clouds as well. And for the windy weather, we can do some shapes like this to represent the wind, and then put some leaves. That's my final result. Can't wait to see yours. Bye!